Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can find your IP address. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, there are a few ways to find your IP address. One method is to click on the search bar at the bottom and search for CMD. Once the command prompt opens, type in ipconfig and press enter. This command will display your IP address at the bottom of the screen. Another way to find your IP address is by clicking on the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right corner and selecting More Wi-Fi Settings. Now, click on the Wi-Fi device you are currently connected to and scroll down a little bit. Again, your IP address will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. If you want to view your IP address online, open a preferred browser and search for My IP Address. Open the first website that appears and your IP address will be displayed on the page. So that's basically how you can find your IP address. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.